Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today I want to show you how to free up space from C drive. There are so many unnecessary files in your computer, which takes up your storage. In this video we will delete these unnecessary files from our computer. Let's start. First of all, go to this PC and right-click on C drive. Click on Properties. In general, you can see my C drive is full. I will free up space 2 to 3 GB from my C drive. Go to Task Manager search box and write Run. Write %temp% in search box. Press Enter. These are all temporary files of my computer. Select all. And right-click. And click on Delete. It will take some time to delete. Please wait. After complete the process, go to Desktop. I have hide my icons. Right-click on Desktop. In View, click on Show Desktop Icons. Now right-click on Recycle Bin, and click on Empty Recycle Bin. It will also take some time to delete files permanently. Please wait while processing. OK, recycle bin is empty. Let's check. Go to this PC and right-click on C drive. Click on Properties. You can see 3.09 GB is free. Now again go to Task Manager search box and write Run. And now write only temp in search box and press Enter. Now again select all files and right-click and click on Delete. Click on Continue. Repeat this process after 2 to 3 days. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Please like and share my videos to your friends. Please consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. Thank you.